Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do unboxing of newest item of our Orange Kitchen, and that is Bajaj OTG. And then we are going to make a veg puff in it. We ordered the OTG from Amazon and it was delivered in good condition. The OTG box itself was well packed with thermocol boards on sides to prevent from any damage. It has a stainless steel body and has a capacity of 28 liters. It comes with an instruction booklet which has all the information about the OTG on how to use it and take care of the appliance. And there are also a few recipes mentioned. Let us now take a look at the different accessories provided here. First is the baking tray in which you can bake cookies, pizza, puff, etc. Here we have the crumb tray, which will be placed at the bottom of the OTG to collect the crumbs that fall while baking or grilling. These are 4 skewer rods which will be used for grilling chicken or paneer. Then we have the rotisserie attachment along with the handle to place and take out the attachment. This will be used to grill a whole chicken as this OTG has motorized rotisserie. Then we have the tong to take out the baking tray when it is hot. The last piece here is the grilling rack to grill chicken, fish, veggies, etc. And here I am trying to figure out how to use the tongs. Let us now quickly set this up and check out the recipe for vegetable puff.